presenting Carter's Beauty and Motion Controlled Robotics is that Carter... What? I thought I wasn't going to do that anymore today. Oh, it's like December 2010 all over again. No, not to touch anything. And that's an editor's way it should be. Watch out at the back. I mentioned that we don't realize. But there's flames.
I got a box of dreams all with the Christmas theme and tonight.
Roll for Bumblebee!
And thank you very much for coming to San Diego. We enjoyed your company here. Come again. Hopefully we'll be able to show you around more. Enjoy the rest of your trip and Happy New Year. Strawberries are my favorite. Снимаешь, да?
Да.
Мне сейчас что-то сказать?
Да,
Нет.
Нет. Не можешь стоять просто.
Да, мам? Нет.
Да, мы тебя просто поснимаем.
Да нет, все, хватит реально.
Да,
Я уже стесняюсь. Can I have a cup of tea, please? Or can I have a glass of water? Glass of wine, you know, perhaps. San Diego, come again, please. Ехала. Ехала.